Hello and welcome to A&E's Story Corner. Today we will be reading Where is the Green Sheep by Mem Fox and Judy Horacek. Okay. Here is the blue sheep. And here is the red sheep. Here is the bath sheep. Oh, that looks like fun. It's even got a little yellow rubber ducky. I love bubble baths. Here is the bed sheep. He's reading a book too. But where is the green sheep? Here is the thin sheep, and here is the wide sheep. Here is the swing sheep, and here is the slide sheep. Whee! But where is the green sheep? Here is the up sheep, and here is the down sheep. Here is the band sheep. Oh, that'd be a noisy one. And here is the clown sheep. But where is the green sheep? Oops, was that him? I wonder if that was the green sheep. Here is the sun sheep. Oh, that looks relaxing. And here is the rain sheep dancing in the rain. These are all the colours of the rainbow. What have we got? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Here is the car sheep, and here is the train sheep. But where is the green sheep? Here is the wind sheep. It's flying a kite, a red kite. And here is the wave sheep. He's on an orange surfboard. Here is the scared sheep, and here is the brave sheep.
Yay!
But where is the green sheep? Oh, here is the near sheep. Hello. And here is the far sheep. Let's give him a wave. I wonder if he can see us. Here is the moon sheep, and here is the star sheep. But where is the green sheep? Here we've got all the sheeps. Oh, there's a swimming sheep, a fishing sheep, a flying sheep. There's another flying one. This one looks like he's going to work. These two are having a cup of tea. This one's riding her bike up the hill. These two are playing in the sand pit. Oh, looks like it's somebody's birthday here. Yum, yum. Cake. Where is that green sheep? Turn the page quietly. Shh. Let's take a peep. Here's our green sheep. He's fast asleep.